Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. And whatever your time zone, wherever you are across the globe, I greet you. Good morning, good evening to you all. We bless God for the grace He has given to us to see the last day in the year 2021. We thank God for how He has helped us, especially in the Kringle community to this day. And my special appreciation and thanks goes to our Hebrew Inverticable TVC admin, Chris Kingler, for his tenacity, his focus to his vision. We thank you and for all the privileges you have given every single community member opportunity to acquire as many coins. We thank you and we thank you for staying focused and we thank you for the wonderful and good surprises that are coming. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And to all leaders in the house, my greetings, especially to our two Hebrew ambassadors, Ambassador Imbe Derek and Ambassador Steve Kufe. Thank you very much for steering the community and to all leaders all over the world. I salute you. You are too many, you are many, so I can't be mentioning your names. I salute you all. Thank you very much for holding forth. Thank you very much for believing in the vision of TBC. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Indeed, we Pringle community members, we are happy. We thank God because we know that year 2022 will be a great and wonderful year for us. Thank you and thank you. I'm just using this day to say shout out to all Pringle members and especially to all my various downlines across the globe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love you all. And please, let's stay focused. Let us stay focused. Let us stay focused. We get there. Don't forget, TBC, we are building and coming from ground up. So it is not easy. But thank God for the grace that sustained TBC till now, even during the corona pandemic of a thing. When other businesses were crumbling, TBC was still standing firm. Also, in the course of the year, when there was a very major dip in the crypto world, every one of them were shouting, were crying because of the serious hit as a result of the dip. Nothing whatsoever affected TBC. That is why TBC will always be unique. So I thank you all. And before I and don't forget, for as many who are yet to key into the ongoing program, we have few hours left. I can assure you, you can still make it. Do your best to get and to acquire as many coins as you can. Yes, do your best. Now, with the payment of your 8 grains, you will get 1,100 TBC as a fraction of Kringles. So, it is worth it. It's something. It's something. It's something. It is a good benevolent act gesture from our army. So, let us utilize it well. Let us utilize it well. And don't forget, there are a lot of abundance coming up our way. So thank you very much. I wish every one of us a prosperous new year 2022. Don't forget, let's stay focused. TVC is our birthright. Thank you all. I love you all. Cheers. Bye. God bless you all.